Welcome back to Wizard or Prophet and another tool review. Now, in the last video we were talking about these Dean and First Info speed T-handles, which I love. And I thought, what else do they have out there that is a speed handle that is maybe a little smaller as a 1/4-inch drive to take on my motorcycle? And I was looking around and I came upon some Wera. Now this, you have to buy these separate. One is the Wera 8789 A Zyklop, and the other one is the 8796 long Zyklop. So the 8789, I believe, is the T-handle sliding top, and the 8796 LA is the shaft. So this is old school. You've probably seen these where you have this little teeny slide, and of course this is simply an extension. It's an extension with some extras on it. So this is the highest quality. This is made in Taiwan. This is made in the Czech Republic. So, you know, we've got European and Asian quality here, but it's a German manufacturer. So, of course, it is going to be high quality. Wera makes great products if you don't already know. So the interesting thing about this is it has a lock on the bottom to keep your bit on. Now, all that lock does is lock that ball detent. So when you push it on the green side, you push it in, it comes off and on quite easy. You push that in, and now it's locked. See, it's not coming off. That is pretty cool. I like that. The other thing with this is the extension here has this polymer sleeve, so it's not as fast as that speed handle, but it definitely can go fast. You just have to keep your finger on it. Like this, you can spin it. You cannot spin this like that unless you get a light grip on it, and then you get about that much. The negative thing about this, there is no detent in the middle of the T-handle, so it just slides through. Every other T-handle I have has a detent here, and that one does not. So it definitely has a stop at the end, so you can still use it as an L, but it does not have that. So this has a few things going for it. It has the lock. It is definitely smaller. You know, when I'm packing this down, I've got this compared to this. You know, it's definitely going to be shorter by a good 2 inches. And this is going to be shorter by a good 4 inches. You buy these separate together, they are about, I think about $23. This is $23. If you're going to be using a speed T-handle and you're going to take it on your bike, this is a great option. Super light, super small, does what it needs to do. This one is obviously bigger, faster, because it has you can change it from a bit driver to a 1/4-inch driver there. That's going to have some more utility, but in any case, Wera makes good stuff. I recommend it. Thanks for watching. Thought I had something more to say, and next time we'll have something from Vessel.